With ConservaGlass NXT, the goal is to enhance your view and craft a space that is truly yours. A space that you can enjoy all year round, no matter the weather. When you make rooms out of it, the glass is of the utmost importance, and for nearly half a century, Four Seasons has been known as the quality leader for sunrooms. Our ConservaGlass has made it so we're one of the only companies that can offer glass roof sunrooms. And the reason? We invest in our product development and back it all with a warranty that's hard to beat. ConservaGlass NXT is designed specifically for rooms made of glass and will keep you cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, from the cold of Alaska to the heat of Arizona. Not quite A through Z, but you get the point. Besides thermal performance, our glass is strong and durable, and that's guaranteed. The very best features of ConservaGlass NXT are actually things you'll never see. Coatings that offer comfort and keep your view pristine. Our ConservaGlass NXT comes with Stay Clean technology, and when the rain hits the pane, it doesn't bead up like regular glass, it sheets off and leaves behind a cleaner window. Even during overcast weather, the UV rays available activate the Stay Clean technology. As carbon-based materials like dust and fingerprints build up, they are simply washed away with the rain or a hose. Emissivity Coatings are metallic particles applied to raw glass in multiple optically transparent layers. These layers are made up of the purest of materials like silver, titanium and zinc. Low E-glass makes up part of an insulated glass unit where 2 or more panes of glass are sandwiched together to ensure maximum thermal performance. The ConservaGlass NXT coatings begin with ongoing research and development where we employ the latest advances in material science. Product development and performance testing are ongoing to ensure that when you choose ConservaGlass NXT, you're choosing the very best. Here's what goes into your ConservaGlass NXT and why we know you'll stay cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Every day, raw glass arrives at a facility and each 10,000-pound pallet is carefully handled, ensuring that the air side of the glass is never touched, and that's where the coatings will be applied. Then the glass sheets enter the coating line. Here the glass is carefully washed with special deionized water and passed through a high-pressure air dryer to ensure the cleanest surfaces possible. The glass enters the 420-foot-long coating line, and the first step is the vacuum chamber, where the glass goes from regular atmospheric pressure down to an extremely low pressure. Vacuum chamber works successively to gradually reduce pressure, and it is only in this environment that plasma can form. Next, the glass enters the heart of the coating line. Specially formulated coatings are deposited onto the glass in a process called Magnetron Sputtering. Each cathode chamber has a high voltage magnetron, and when activated, it interacts with an inert gas that enters the chamber, forming a plasma. The positively charged ions from the plasma are attracted to the coating material, bombarding it and dislodging individual atoms. These atoms are applied evenly to the glass surface, creating a thin film. Next up, as part of our Stay Clean technology, a Sputterer Process is employed. This means that the titanium-based target is located below the glass pane, providing an even layer to the outside glass surface. After running through the coating line, with all of our layers applied, the complete coating stack is no thicker than 1/10,000th the thickness of a human hair. After the coatings comes rigorous inspection. Sophisticated cameras and instruments look for any defects, and in the control room, technicians observe both the glass and the entire coating line to ensure that you get the very best product possible. After inspection, the glass is gathered in an accumulator before it is cut and wrapped to ensure integrity. Our glass has been used around the world for many projects, and we may talk about it a lot, but when something is this good, how can you not?